We are India's oldest engineering institution. Instead of looking back, we'd rather look ahead. We built the biggest dams and canals in the days when even calculators did not exist. But we'd rather look at using our expertise to design sustainable solutions for waste management and wastewater utilization. We are trusted as the best civil engineers by various governments all over the world. We are a global knowledge center in earthquake engineering. We were pioneers and will continue to dominate new discovery, including adopting a multi-pronged strategy towards reliable assessment of earthquake hazard, development and testing of novel design concepts and devices to withstand earthquake effects, and assessment of seismic risk for better earthquake preparedness. The Earth Sciences Department is involved in a futuristic research project on unifying the education in Earth system science encompassing Earth, atmosphere and ocean interaction. When the first lines carrying electricity were being laid, we were designing the basis of transmission and distribution. But we'd rather research towards reducing T&D losses to marginal amounts. Our state-of-the-art hardware in the loop test bed evaluates the performance of physical hardware devices used in transmission and distribution. When the first locomotive rolled out in India, we were designing frameworks for future rail engineering. But we'd rather look at innovative research programs on fire and nuclear safety, hydrogen gas-based fuels, and development of smart structures that are environment-friendly. We had a legacy of a pioneer. We have now torn down the old, reimagined the new, and created global knowledge centers in many diverse engineering and technology areas. Today, we have industry-collaborated centers of excellence in transportation system, center of excellence in nanotechnology, and center of excellence in disaster mitigation and management. While engineering has been a tradition, in core science itself, we are building the future. Our physics department is researching on nanotechnology, photonics, and using atomic and molecular collision physics to create reduced friction technologies. In applied physics, we do path-breaking research on string theory, particle physics, nuclear physics, and plasma physics to develop energy-efficient materials and devices and photonic devices. Water has been a source of power through hydropower units, and we have a legacy to designing the best dams and canals. Today, we are using the embedded knowledge, including the sophisticated laser Doppler velocimetry tests, to create controlled water flows that provide for higher power generation and reduce societal challenges in hydropower plants. Our work in microhydel plants has been patented. Our Alternate Hydro Energy Center, AHEC, is a national resource center for development of small hydropower and conservation of natural resources. Our chemical engineering department was a pioneer in process controls of refineries. Now, we do innovative research in future technologies. When the first blast furnaces were being used, we were designing the first indigenous molds for casting. Today we are researching and simulating the future of lightweight load-bearing metals, using nano-indenters to assist validation of new research findings. We have the best research scientists in corrosion engineering, nanostructured materials, functional ceramics, and even biomaterials for tissue engineering. Science comes naturally to us. Today, our Department of Chemistry is engaged in research areas such as nanomaterials, organic materials, and others. We are the first engineering college in the country. Today, we are still the pioneers in the latest fields of biotechnology, from detecting impurities and adulterants in milk to developing an absolutely cutting-edge drug delivery system. We have done it all. And we were supposed to be about only engineering. IIT Roorkee has been about creation, collaborative creation, passionate creation, and future-driven creation. Let's create a more meaningful world together.